Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to DADIMA'S kitchen. Today we made an Eid special macaroni and cheese. It smells so delicious and this is a pineapple flavour. We also made one which Iman's going to try, which doesn't have any pineapple in it. And well, let's try it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh my gosh, this is so delicious. I love the cheesy texture and the moisture of it and the pineapple taste. Now let's Iman try it.
This is such an amazing dish. And it tastes delicious.
And today what do we have?
Hadi, would you like to try some of it?
Oh, I already had.
Okay, well, we love this and it's so good for Eid. And it's a really special dish and I love the melted cheese. So now Iman's going to try this pineapple one. And I'll try the one which doesn't have any pineapple in it. Let's taste. It's like, it got like cheese which is like this crispiness on the top. So looks great and it has like I love it. It's so crispy and I love the cheese flavor. Even though it doesn't have the juiciness of the pineapple, it still tastes really good together.
And the pineapple is really good because it brightens up the flavors in the macaroni and cheese.
Yeah. So thank you for watching DADIMA'S kitchen. Oh, Hadi. Do you want to try some by the way?
I'm already.
Well, let's say bye.
Yeah, but
Thank you for watching DADIMA'S kitchen. Please remember to subscribe, like and share. And then let's do this, and that.